Alright, this is Johnsonkeyz from Nigeria. Okay, so this is going to be a Arara video tutorial. Okay, in the key of F. So we're going to be starting with the song Darling Jesus that will do Is a Miracle Working God. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Okay, so the bass line goes like this. Darling Jesus, darling Jesus. So you can do something. So the notes are showing on the screen. Darling Jesus, wonderful God. Oh, darling Jesus. So the right hand goes. So you can do something like this. Okay, so let me show you that. So you can see the inversions I'm using. Mi, so, do, mi, fa, la, do, fa, B flat. So we are in the key of F,